Right on.
Walk straight ahead.
Right up. Oh, I see that.
All right, we're recovering Jonathan's buck. Opening day 2020. Rifle season. Walking up to him now. Oh, good God, boy.
What have you killed?
What have you done, buddy?
You laid a big
That's a taxidermy bill, son.
that there. Grandpa, make sure you get that.
Heck yeah, brother.
Yeah,
Oh
that,
my. Dang.
Whoa!
How is that, brother? Look at me, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh my. Dad, hold this for a second.
Grandpa's excited.
Hold that for a
Whoa, man. Come here and give me a hug. Yes, sir. Congratulations, baby. Wow. Grandpa's crying.
Get up here.
Yes, Grandpa's crying today.
Oh, buddy.
Good
Oh
God.
my God, son.
Wow.
Oh, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, Jonathan. Jonathan David, what do you got to say?
We found him. I mean, beat him up and hold him.
Get it, yeah. Show this dude off.
Big boy off.
Dang, look at a mass.
Look at that thing. Yeah.
How many points has he got?
10.
Nah,
12,
he's got more than that.
Got 11. Counting split eye guard.
Congratulations, son.
Buddy. 4 or 5, yeah. Split eye guard, nail that little point down.
Yeah, that's all right. He's got some mega mass, though.
Cool looking.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, well.
I just got it yesterday. I ain't figured the stupid thing out all the way yet.
I know, I told him, I was like, you know you don't have your home button anymore, you gotta fly home. He said, huh?
All right, just hanging out up here.
Oh, he's starting to get stiff.
We've recovered Jonathan's buck. We got my doe.
What?
Opening morning.
It fits in my...
Opening morning success here. Jonathan killed definitely his, by far his biggest buck ever. I think we got one very excited, very proud young man. Anything to say? No? Wear my waterfowl overalls.
Stay warm somehow.
Yeah, they'll keep you warm. Hi, Sarah.
I'm excited for you.
Picture me in my natural habitat with my Mountain Dew in my hand.
You do, and you're backwards,
Wait a
yep.
second, wait a second.